Hey guys, thanks for checking out the blog. This week we are going to talk about sales funnels. We're going to go step by step on how to build your own sales funnel on your website. Everybody uses them from Groupon to Amazon. Everybody uses the same formula. We're going to walk through step by step right after this. Thanks. Alright guys, let's get into value-added sales funnel. So I saw in the comments a lot of people are like, kind of struggling as to how to push their links and how to make things work and make some money. You have a website and, you're starting to blog and things like that, and you kind of picked your niche, but now how do you kind of get people to convert? So this is a sales funnel. This is an online sales funnel. Essentially, this is a way to direct, funnel customers into your sale. A value-added sales funnel is why I call it. Basically, it just means you're going to build trust with some great content that you're going to give away in the beginning, and then don't keep it to no sales pitchy stuff or anything like that on that page. Just give them some genuine good content, and then you offer them a bonus offer, which is usually a video based on the blog that I wrote or something like that. And then if they sign up for the content, then you'll give them the bonus. And then once they're on that bonus page, you push them over to your sales page. If you're still interested in this, or if you like this content, you're definitely gonna like this. You should check this out, stuff like that. So that's the 1,000-foot view. So let's go into it individually. So first thing you got to do, these pages are built in WordPress. You can use a landing page builder if you like landing pages, or there's a bunch of different plugins and things like that. So it's up to you. I use WordPress. You can just build the pages in WordPress and then connect your email software, and that's really all you need that I can think of. Other than connecting Google Analytics and AdWords and things like that, but that's all part of the game. But for setting this up, that's pretty much what you need there. So first thing is first, you're going to make a blog post. You're going to want a high quality content blog post, roughly 1,000 words. It's obviously related to the sales item or the affiliate offer that you're trying to push at the end, so you're wanting it, want it to be related to that. So you want to make sure you have good SEO on it, make sure so you get some good organic traffic. If you can't write, you don't necessarily, it's not a big deal. I use iWriter.com. I use freelance and guru sites, things like that. You can get blogs written for a few dollars, high quality stuff. So I like iWriter because you can specify what keywords you want them to use and things like that. So I would check it out, iWriter.com, if you want to get that checked out. So like I said, where we're at there, if you build your blog post, high quality content, and then you're going to want to, if it's a top 10 list, you may want to leave a few of those as bonus content. Or like I said, what I like to do is I write a blog post, a high quality blog post, and then create a video based on that blog post, and maybe throw in a few extras in the video, so you can say, hey, watch the bonus video here, and send them to your sign up. So blog posts, bonus content, hey, sign up here for if you want more. That pushes over to the sign up page, lead magnet page. This is where they'll enter all their sign up information. That information kicks over to your email capture software, which would be MailChimp or Aweber or one of those. Also, your autoresponder is built into that. So when they sign up, it'll kick them back a link. Actually, it'll probably kick them back an opt-in form, and on that opt-in form, you could put the link to the page that you're sending them to, which has their bonus content. So link sends them over to their thank you offer, which is hey, thanks for signing up, and here's your bonus content. By the way, if you liked all this, you should really check this stuff out. And they click on that, and that gets you to the final sales page. This is where you would set up your sales page for your affiliate link. So sometimes the people set these up differently. Sometimes your thank you and your sales page can be the same page. It may just say at the top, hey, while your content is delivering or going to be delivered, check out this offer, and you would put this offer under here, and shorten it up, so make it just 3 pages rather than the 4, the extra step there. But this is normally, I'm just showing you kind of how I've been setting them up, and they've been pretty successful. So to go into some more details, if you look down here, you're after your email capture. Any emails that you get, you want to save those to your master list, and then hopefully as you've gotten signups, even if they didn't buy the final offer, you can kind of look at your sales and see who didn't purchase the offer and send them to a separate list, and you can send follow-up emails to them. So that's usually a 3 email follow-up. You send maybe after a few days after they sign up, or a week, you send them maybe another blog post. Maybe you have another blog post posted on here, so you send them some quality content, and a few days after that you send them one more. Essentially, you want to send them a couple emails with quality content, and then on that third email you want to push them back to that sales page again and try to get them to buy that offer. So building trust is what you're trying to do here. You're offering good content, you're getting them to trust you, and then trust that you are not selling them something shady on the end here. So some other things here. So as for advertising, paid advertising, things like that, all of that pushes to your blog post, the actual blog post. So the first thing, obviously, you want to share it to social medias. You want to put it on bookmarking pages like StumbleUpon. Also, you want to make sure all your on-page SEO is good. Make sure you're using your Yoast plugin, your Yoast SEO plugin, or whatever SEO plugin you're using. Make sure you got that dialed in. On-page SEO is real important here. So this is, or if you have multiple, or if it's a blog, you maybe have multiples, but a good SEO so you can build organic traffic, and not to mention build up your quality scores on your ads. So, so you push your Facebook ad traffic, your Google AdWords, your content distribution networks, which are like Outbrain, Taboola, things like that. So all that content pushes to your blog, and you want to get it out there and get that get as much traffic to it as you possibly can. Your whole idea is just build traffic to that page, and then you're going to hope that people will push through and eventually buy your product at the end and make you some money. So the other thing I have here is retargeting. If you're not familiar with what retargeting is, essentially, I say essentially a lot, don't I? So retargeting is, let's say you go to Amazon.com and you're looking at speakers. As soon as you leave that page and go to other websites, you're going to see Amazon ads around it, probably advertising those same speakers. The reason why is when you went to the Amazon page, you picked up a cookie, and then that cookie is following you around through the internet, and that's how they're targeting you with more of their ads. So this is the same setup. You'll set up retargeting code on your blog post, which is Facebook has a pixel, and so does Google. And that can be a whole course in itself, but just know that that's what that means. You're putting the code on there, so you're tracking users, and then as they flow through, whoever doesn't buy your offer, you can continue to kind of push them back to your page even after they've left. So essentially, once and I said it again, damn it, once you get this going, it's fairly automated, other than you need to continue to check your spends and see, watch your analytics and see how you're doing here, and obviously you want to make sure that you're converting out here, but essentially once this is set up, it goes and it just kind of goes on its own, and then you just keep rolling with it, and then you move on to the next offer, or whatever you want to do next. But Groupon uses this. Almost every major website uses this. It's something they're wanting you to buy at the end, and they're offering you content or goodies or whatever, a free ebook, whatever it is, to drive you over, to build your trust, and to get you to buy that offer. So I hope this helped. I'm going to have this. I'm going to put this as a PDF, and I'll have it so you can download it if you want to keep it and use it as a reference to building your site. I'm not going to actually physically build one in this video, but in the next video I will build one. So good luck, guys, and I hope it makes you some money. I hope this had some value to it. And as always, post your comments, and if you really like me, hit the subscribe button at the end, and I thank you very much.